everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yana here again. Okay, I just would like to share with you that yesterday I had a very bad constipation because the past few days I have not been consuming a lot of fiber. How did I know that I have not been consuming a lot of fiber? It's through the photos that I posted on Instagram, and also by just thinking back about what have I been eating the last few days. So I just noticed that I actually have not been eating a lot of fiber. I think the only vegetables that I have eaten since the past few days is edamame, and is it vegetables even? It's just beans, right? And the constipation is really bad. I'm not being disgusting here. I'm just sharing my situation. Okay. I have never had this bad constipation before. So the feeling is, how to put it, even though the feeling is quite manageable, but you know, whenever you go to sit on the toilet bowl, you have the urge to do your business. Then when you were to sit on the toilet bowl, you're just not able to get it out because probably the solid in you is just too hard, and it's not and it's not capable of purging out. Actually, that day I planned to do a fast, okay, but I break my fast at the 15th hour. Okay, at the 15th hour, I had a whole punnet of strawberries. I know strawberry is keto compliant, but you're not supposed to really indulge in it, but I've got no choice. I had a whole punnet of strawberries. I finished it off. I drink lots of water. A friend of mine even told me to drink chamomile tea. I drank, and I continue replenishing myself with water. However, I keep going to the toilet to pee instead to poo. The feeling is very uncomfortable because you are drinking lots of water because you plan to poo. However, when you head to the toilet, it's to pee and not to poo, because you know that the poo wanted to come out but it's not able to. So the feeling is really uncomfortable. Okay, for those who have experienced this constipation thingy, I think you will understand what I mean. So I continue to drink a lot of water. Then I even had a bowl of salad. Okay, a whole bowl of spinach salad. But still, I'm not able to do it. So that night, I messaged my husband to buy for me some fruits. I told him he can buy any fruits as long as the fruits is able to help me poo. Okay, so he bought persimmons and also watermelon. So I had about 1 persimmons and about 1/4 of watermelon all to myself. Yes, this too is not keto compliant, but I really need to get the poo out. Okay, I eat everything. I eat the watermelon, I eat the persimmons, but still it didn't show any signs of getting out. But still, my poo just didn't give any sign of getting out. But I don't have that discomfort feeling anymore, meaning that my tummy is quite relaxed and it has no urge to poo, because the early part of the day I feel uncomfortable because I have the urge to poo but I'm not able to poo. But in the evening I don't have the urge, so yeah, it's fine. So next morning I wake up. Next morning is this morning. Okay, when I woke up, still there's no sign of me wanting to poo. Okay, I'm fine with that as long as I don't feel uncomfortable. I'm just afraid that on the way to work I just need to head to the toilet, but okay, luckily it did happen. So this morning my colleague brought roti kirai for breakfast. Okay, she ordered roti kirai and she shared with all of us. Roti kirai is actually a flat bread. I will insert a photo here if you don't know what is roti kirai. Since I'm not in ketosis, I know it myself. I had too much food the night before and I know I'm not in ketosis. Even if I'm still having ketosis in my body, it's definitely a very small amount. So I indulged in that roti kirai. I finished eating roti kirai and had my bulletproof coffee by 10 AM. Okay, so immediately after finishing my meal, yes, the poo started to say hello to me. So I hit the toilet. To get it out. It didn't come up very easy, but yeah, it managed to, and I feel so comfortable, and yeah, I'm back to normal. Yeah, that's the end of my constipation story. Okay, so since I had too much carb, that's from the fruits and also from the roti kirai, I decided to fast on the spot. So my fasting hours started at 10 a.m. this morning. Okay, and now I'm still fasting. Okay, so I plan to break my fast tomorrow after the 24th hour, since I can still take it, since I'm able to do it. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be breaking my fast. Since today is Friday, I'm now in my JB home, and I have just came back from grocery shopping at the supermarket. So I have purchased some stuff to be brought home to Singapore. Okay, all this grocery replenishment, I bought it from Johor because it's cheaper compared to Singapore due to its currency conversion. So just let me show a few of stuff that I use in my cooking. Mostly are spices and some coconut cream and salt. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is the Himalayan salt. Okay, I have converted to this Himalayan salt since a couple of months ago. Himalayan salt is definitely a better option than the table salt. If you want to know more, do give it a Google to find out the benefits of this Himalayan salt. Okay, I bought two. By the way, one packet of this, which contains two, costs RM4.90. Okay, next one I bought organic golden flaxseed. This costs RM6.88 for 250 gram flaxseed. I still have this at home, but I use it a lot to make flatbread, to make keto bun. So it's good to have this in stock so that it'll be easier for you in case you need it and it's running out of it. Okay, this onion powder. I love using onion powder. Apart from onion powder, I prefer using this garlic powder. Okay, I just love onions and garlic powder so much. And on top of that, also black pepper. I love this type of coarse black pepper. By the way, this costs $5. No, by the way, this costs RM5.98. Okay, I also bought two small packaging, 200 gram. Yeah, 2 boxes of coconut cream extract. Okay. By the way, I bought this rib soup spices. I bought 5 of it. This is very essential. This must have in my kitchen because I make a lot of bone broth every week. So yeah, I use these rib soup spices to make my bone broth. It's one of the ingredients that I must have in order to have a rich and aromatic bone broth. Okay, that rib soup bone broth costs costs RM1.40. Okay, the last item is fish soup spices, which I can use not only to make fish soup but also crab soup and other seafood soup. I've never used this before. I should give it a try. Yeah, one of the weekend I should make some, maybe crab soup. I love crab, so maybe I will make some crab soup for myself. Okay, that's all for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my constipation story and also my JB supermarket grocery shopping. Okay, just wanted to share that there are a lot of items when grocery shopping is concerned that cost a lot cheaper in JB. However, as much as I wish to purchase almost everything from JB and to bring it back to Singapore, like chicken, fish, and some other products, there's some restriction. Okay, I think you're not able to bring in any cooked food or something. I'm not too sure because it's been such a long time since I attempt to bring in any food. Normally, if I were to go to supermarket, I'll just get the spices. so I'm not too sure what is being restricted. So from having my item being confiscated by the custom officer, might as well I don't risk it and do not buy things that I think will not be allowed to be brought to Singapore. So yeah, that's my grocery shopping for today. Okay everybody, hope you enjoyed this video. Do give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and do click on the bell button to be notified for my future videos. Meanwhile, take care, stay safe. I love all of you. Bye bye, have a good day. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you appreciate this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do leave your comments, as I would love to hear from all of you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love all of you. Have a good day.